Hello my dear students. So now let us start with the word problems. And to start with the word problems, I will start with the word problems that are based on formulas. You know that formulas basically are the areas of the triangle, area of rectangle, or any such geometrical figures. We will try to finish all those first. And to start with, we have got the first one. The first one says the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Okay. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. See, it is very simple. Length is one more than twice its breadth. The first information is over here. Length is one more than twice its breadth. So usually what we should say, let the breadth of rectangle be equal to x meters. Fine. Now breadth is equal to x meter, therefore length will be one more means 1 plus, more than what? Twice its breadth. Twice its breadth will be 2x, and one more than this will be the length. And then the information they have given is area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Now area of rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. So this is given to you, it is 528 is equal to x into 2x plus 1. If I solve this, 2x square plus x is equal to 528. Fine. So now what I get, I shift this over here, 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Now this you have to solve the quadratic equation. You know all the methods, but the most simple and easy one can be the formula method. The formula method you will be able to find x, and that will be the breadth of the rectangle. So if I go forward, so A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to minus 528. So what you get over here is, first you will find the value of B square minus 4AC is equal to 1 square minus 4 into A is 2 into C is minus 528. So B square minus 4AC is equal to 1 minus minus plus 4 2s are 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 42. So you will get B square minus 4AC is equal to 4225. So this is positive, so that's why the roots will be existing. Now by formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root four two two five 2. So this will give you minus 1. Now 42257 65 should be the 65 should be the square root of 4225. 65. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 32, 6 5s are 6 39. Yes, that will be 65 upon 4. So you will get x is equal to minus 1 plus 65 upon 4, or you will get x is equal to 64 upon 4, or you will get x is equal to 16, or whatever this is, minus 33 upon 2. But you know that since now breadth is equal to x, now since the breadth cannot be a negative number, since breadth of plot cannot be negative. Therefore, 16 meter, and length is equal to what? Length you have got, it is equal to 2x plus 1 meter. So it will be 2x plus 1, 2 into 16 plus 1, 32 plus 1, 33 meter. This will be our answer. Okay, my dear students. So in this way, we can proceed further. The first question that we have finished. Going to the next question. Now see here, the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So here the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So basically if the base is something like this, then the height is less. Altitude of a right angle triangle means its height is 7 centimeter less than its base. So let the base of triangle be equal to x centimeter. Therefore, altitude and height are same. Height of triangle is equal to 7 centimeter less, means x minus 7. 7 centimeter. So this is x, this is x minus 7. Fine. Hypotenuse is also given. So now we know by Pythagoras theorem we get x square plus x minus 7 the whole square is equal to 13 square. So this we will solve. Minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 169. 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. This will reduce 120. Fine. So this again I can reduce x square minus no, this cannot be reduced. No, this can be reduced. So I divided, I don't know why. This can be reduced. 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Divide this by 2, or you can consider as that you are taking 2 as a common factor. Both are going to be same. So you get x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Again, you can use anything that you are comfortable with, formula method or splitting the middle term, but here I think 60, 12 5s are 60. Yes, that is right. So you can get 12 5s are 60 minus plus this, if you multiply it is minus 60. This is right. The x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60. This is again a common factor. You will get x minus 12 and in another bracket x plus 5. Therefore, minus 5. Again the same thing, the base of a triangle is x and x cannot be negative. Since base of a triangle cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 12 centimeter and altitude is going to be equal to x minus 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 centimeter. These are going to be the parameters of the triangle. So this is done. Now we go to the third question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than its shorter side. So there is a, if I have to draw a diagram, actually you don't have to draw a diagram for this because then your labeling and everything comes over there. So one thing I'll do, I'll use this before diagram. See here they are telling the altitude, no, the diagonal of a rectangular field. So there is a rectangular field like this, and then they are telling the diagonal of a rectangular field. This is the diagonal. Is 60 meters more than its shorter side. So there is a rectangular field. Supposing this is the shorter side, this is a longer side. The shorter side, it is 60 meters more than its shorter side. Fine. So let the shorter side be x. So the diagonal will be 60 meters more, means x plus 60. Fine. If the longer side is 30 meters more than shorter side, means longer side will be x plus 30. Is something of this sort. If you want, we can draw this diagram, no problem. So, okay, let us be clear. Let us draw the diagram. Let A, B, C, D be the rectangular field. Then BD, let the shorter side be equal to BC be equal to x meter. Therefore, BD is equal to x plus 60 because it is 60 meters more than the shorter side, and DC is equal to x plus 30 since it is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Now in triangle, because this we need to write by Pythagoras and all, so that is the reason a diagram will be needed. If you apply Pythagoras theorem over here, we will get BC square plus DC square is equal to BD square. BC square is x square plus DC square is x plus 30 the whole square is equal to x plus 60 the whole square. And this we will have to solve now. X square plus 60 x plus 900 is equal to, again here, x square plus 120x plus 3600. I hope you all are understanding this. You have to apply expansion formula over here, that is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion formula that you are applying over here. Okay, x square 2 into 30 60, 30 ka square is 600 900, then x square 2 into 60 120x, and 60 ka square is 3600. So now this x square and 1x square will get out, and then you will get x square plus 60x minus 120x plus 900 minus 3600 is equal to 0. 120x 3600 I have shifted over there. This will give me x square minus 60x. This again I will subtract 3600 minus, that will give me 2700. I suppose 3600 minus 600 will give me 3000. 3000 minus 200, 4000, 2800. Okay, $2,700 my dear students. This will be Kala 2,700 is equal to 0. 2,700 will get over here. Okay, so now coming back over a slight disturbance my dear students. So here now if I go to solve this, again the same old story my dear students, you can consider it anyway. So but here comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1 minus 2,700. So here if you will see, you will get b square minus 4ac. B square is minus 60 square minus 4 of the formula A is 1 and C is minus 2700. This is positive 3600 minus minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 4, 7 are 28, 4 is at 9, 10. 10,800, and if I add this 0, 0, 31400, B square minus 4AC will be 31400. Now finding the square root of 31400, just a minute, just confirm this, I don't want any. What is this? Some mistake, my dear student. Just a minute. 108 000 3600 14400. It is 14400. Now you know this is basically very easy. This is 144 into 100. So now if you take square root of b square minus 4ac, this is easy, we can find this very easily. At present it is only this much. So now you will get, where are we, by formula, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b. B is what? Minus 60 minus 60 plus minus root 14400 upon 2 into 1. Fine. So x is equal to 60 plus minus. Now here you can consider like this, 144 into 100 upon 2. X is equal to 60 plus minus root of 144 will be 12 into 100 will be 10. 60 plus minus 120 upon 2. So you will get x is equal to 60 plus 120 upon 2, or x is equal to 60 minus 120 upon 2. Still x is equal to 180 upon 2, or x is equal to 60 minus 60 upon 2. X is equal to 90, or x is equal to minus 30. So again the breadth have come, x is equal to 90. Okay, again the same story, because x is equal to minus 30 is not possible, since breadth of a field cannot be negative. X is equal to 90. Therefore breadth of field is equal to 90 meter. Length of, what is the length of field? We have considered it to be x plus 30. X plus 30 is 90 plus 30. That will be equal to 120 meters. What have they asked? Find the sides of the field. That's all. Therefore, the sides of the field are 90 meter and 120 meter. Okay, my dear students. So in this way, see, in this, actually speaking, the more important part than the word problems is that you should be able to frame the quadratic equation. That is the main part that you have to understand. Now, because solving the quadratic equation, now you must be very much familiar with that. You have got three methods for that. You can use any familiar method, any method which you are comfortable with or is convenient for you. Some of the areas of the two squares, these are two different squares. Some of the areas of two squares, now supposing one is smaller square. There are two squares. When they are told they are not equal squares, so we have to consider that they are unequal squares. Some of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. Now whatever is this square, S1, S1, S2, S2, the area of this square will be S2 square. If the difference of the perimeters, this is very important. This will be used first. If the difference of the perimeter is 24 meter. Now we know the perimeter of this square will be 4s. Okay, 4s. Okay, let's go in this way. This is what you have to now understand. If this is 4s and the difference is equal to, see, try to understand what is happening. Difference is equal to difference of the two, means see here, this perimeter is 4s1. See, let the side of smaller square be equal to x meter. So this is x meter. Therefore, perimeter of smaller square is equal to 4 into x meter. And now they have told perimeter of 1 minus perimeter of 2 is equal to 24 meter. This is given. Difference of the perimeters is 24 meter. Therefore, this is the larger square minus 4x will be equal to 24. Fine. The perimeter of larger square will be 24 plus 4x. Try to understand this. But what is the perimeter of 4 into side of larger square, right? This is the perimeter of the larger square. 4 into larger square will be equal to 24 plus 4x. Are you getting? Perimeter is 4 into side. 4 into side, therefore it was 4x, because side of a smaller square is x, the perimeter of a smaller square is 4x. So I don't know, I have not taken anything of the larger square. Larger square is anything, so that is side of a larger square, whatever it is, but the perimeter will be 4 into side of the larger square. So this 4 I can take it on the other side, so side of larger square will be, now here I will have to take 4 common factor, 4 6 are 24 plus x upon this 4 I've shifted over there and they will get cancelled. So I will get side of larger square is equal to 6 plus x. This is the side of the larger square. So I have got both the sides. Side of the smaller square is x meter, side of the larger square is equal to x plus 6 or 6 plus x meter. Okay, and now they have told sum of their areas is 2 squares is 468 meter square. So area of smaller square will be equal to side square, that is x square meter square, and area of larger square will be equal to 6 plus x the whole square meter square. And they have told x square plus 6 plus x the whole square. The sum of these two areas is equal to 468. Okay, so now this will solve. This part is important, my dear student. This you have to understand how you have to travel. See, from perimeters you will be able to find the informations. Difference of the perimeters is 24 meter. So let the side of the smaller square is x meter. The perimeter of the smaller square will be 4 into x, because that is the formula for the perimeter of a square. 4 into side, 4x. Now using this, the perimeter of larger square minus perimeter of smaller square is equal to 24 meter. This is given to you. The difference is 24 meter. Therefore, P1 minus 4x is equal to 24. And 4x I shift over there. Now perimeter of larger square is equal to 4 into side of a larger square is equal to 24 plus 4x. Now here 4 I shift over there. At the same time I take 4 common factor over here, 6 plus x. 4 will get cancelled, and then suddenly the side of the larger square has become, I've got the side of the larger square, that is 6 plus x. And now going to the second phase, they are telling that sum of the areas of two square is 468. So I take the area of a smaller square, x square, area of a larger square, 6 plus x the whole square, and then that sum is equal to 468. This is given. And then solve this. This is now easy. 36 plus 12x plus x square is equal to 468. X square plus x square will give you 2x square plus 12x plus 36 minus 468. So this will not be solved. 2x square plus 12x, but here subtraction will be done. 8 minus 6 will give 2, 3, 4, 32 is equal to 0. Fine. So this is done, and now you will take out a common factor, x square plus 6x minus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12. This 2 you can consider you brought over here, and that has become 0. X square plus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. Now again the same thing, you can do any method that you feel you are comfortable with. Actually you can consider anything. 216, if you go to factorize it and you are able to find it very immediately, it is okay. Otherwise, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to c, cx minus 216. You should first find b square minus 4ac. b square is 6 square minus 4 of the formula, a is 1 into c is minus 216. 6 square is 36 minus plus 4 to the 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 the 6, 4 2s are 864 plus 36. Where have we reached now? B square. This if I add 6 plus 4, 10, 900. So that is a good sign. So now you will tell by formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac minus b 6 plus minus 900 upon 2 into 1. So you get x is equal to minus 6 plus minus 30 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus 30 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 30 upon 2. Again the same old story. 30 minus 6 will give you 24 upon 2 minus 36 upon 2, 12 or minus 18. Since again the same thing, since side of a square cannot be negative, x cannot be equal to minus 18, therefore x is equal to 12. What have they are? Find the sides of two squares. So side of first square is 12, side of second square we have got it. Side of second square we always should go x plus 6. Side of larger square is equal to 6 plus x, that is equal to 6 plus 12, that is equal to 18 centimeter. Therefore side of smaller square is equal to 12 centimeter. Side of larger square is equal to 18 centimeter. Fine, my dear students. This statement is very important that you have to write every time. Even if I don't write because of lack of space and all, you should always see to it that you have to write it every time that you use it. Okay, fine, my dear students. If here we have done with fourth question, now we have to go to fifth question. And what is the fifth question? Is it possible to design a rectangular mangrove? Rectangular mangrove, rectangular field, rectangular plot, whatever it is, as long as it is rectangular, whose length is twice its breadth. See, length is twice its breadth. Let the breadth of rectangular mangrove be equal to x meter, and therefore length of will be equal to twice its breadth, means 2x meter. Area is 800 meter. Now area is equal to length into breadth. That area is given as 800, length is equal to 2x. breadth is equal to x. So you get, I'll shift it over here, 2x square is equal to 800, x square is equal to 400, x is equal to plus minus 20, because you are going to take a root of that. But since breadth of mangrove actually rectangular हो या square हो, cannot be negative, x is equal to 20. Therefore, breadth of rectangular is equal to 20 meter, and length of it is equal to, actually always copy down this, 2x is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to 40 meter. So with this we have finished 5 questions. Going forward, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Area 80 meter, perimeter 80 meter, fine. Perimeter is always helpful. See here, let the rectangular park, okay, let the breadth of x meter. Now you know perimeter of rectangle is 2 into, now this is the one that you have to remember nicely, 2 into length plus breadth of square is 4 into side, 4s. Perimeter of square is equal to 4s, and perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here perimeter of rectangle is this, and this is given to you as 80, 2 into length, we don't know, we have to find it. Breadth is x, so this 2 comes over here, length plus x. Therefore length is equal to, you will get 40 minus x. How? 40 minus x meter. So you understand now, your breadth is equal to x meter and length is equal to 40 minus x meter. So we proceed further. Just a minute, I'll get a pen. Length is equal to 40 minus x meter, so that is done. So now they have told area is 400 meters square. Area of rectangular park is equal to length into breadth. Area is given to be 400, length is equal to 40 minus x, and breadth is equal to x. This if you will solve, I will keep this over here, 40x minus x square is equal to 400. Are you getting? X into 40, 40x minus x square is equal to 400, but still after again I have to shift it over here. So I have got what? Minus x square plus 40x minus 400 is equal to 0. But then I don't want x square to be negative. I'll shift and switch everybody's sign. X square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now again the same old story. I should see if I can get 40 over here. If I can get 40, then it is nothing like that. Otherwise, then I will have to go back to the formula method. Fine. Let's take this out. So let us see over here. If I find 400, 2 200s are 2, 100s are 2, 50s are 2, 25s are 5, 5s are 5 ones are. You want 40, 2 to the 4 to the 8. No, this will not help. 2 to the 4 to the 8, to the 16, 200 are 200 are 250s are 225s are 5 5s are 5, right? 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 2 to the 4, 5 are 20. Okay, 20, 20 da. That's fine. 20, 20 da. Are you getting this? 2 to the 4, 5 are 20. 2 to the 4, 5 are 20. 20, 20 will give you 400. And then minus 20x minus 20x plus 400. My dear student, this you should be able to solve now. And remember, if you don't understand by this method, then you have got formula method. You can do it by formula method also. No problem. X into x minus 20 minus. So I get x minus 20. X minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So, therefore, breadth of rectangular arc is equal to 20 meter and length of minus 6, it is basically same. Is it? Yes, it is same. Okay, my dear students. So basically it is not a rectangular park, it is a square park. Chalo, fine. So with this we have finished 6 questions. I don't know how many more I will be able to do, but I will try. 36 minutes ka lecture ho gaya khali, to we'll go can proceed for the 7th question. There is a rectangular onion storehouse in a farm. Okay, rectangular onion storehouse. This is basically the rectangular. There is a storehouse like this. What are they telling? The rectangular in a farm, the length of a rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7 meters. The length of the rectangular base is more than the breadth by 7 meters. Let the base of let the breadth of rectangular base. Let the breadth of rectangular base be equal to x meter. Therefore, length of 7 meter more, it will be x plus 7 meter. Diagonal is more than its length by 1 meter. Now, therefore, diagonal of rectangular base, it is more than this length by 1, that is equal to x plus 8 meter. I hope you all are getting this. So if you have got all the 3 sides, breadth is this, length is this, and diagonal, basically I think there is, find the length and breadth of the storehouse. So basically here what will happen, the same thing. This is going to follow a Pythagoras theorem because it is a base which is rectangular. The rectangular base is something of this sort. Find the breadth is equal to x, this is equal to x plus 7, and this is going to be x plus 8. So here, by using Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, on the triangle in the rectangular base, what you will get, this diagonal x plus 8 the whole square is equal to x square plus x plus 7 the whole square. Hope you understood this. So this is going to be x square. Are you getting this? This is how we are getting that. So x square plus 16x plus 64 is equal to x square plus 14x plus 49. So now here 1x square is gone. You get what? X square plus I hate this, x square plus again 14x, the 16x goes over there, minus 16x plus 49, this 64 goes over there, minus 64 is equal to 0. Okay, so this I will get x square minus 2x minus 64 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5, 15, I suppose. Yes. So this is what I have got. X square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So 15, it is 3 5s are 15, that is only possible. Minus will go over here, plus if I multiply it is minus. So I will get x square plus 3x minus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. X outside, x plus minus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3, x plus 3. Common factor, and here you will get x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3, or x is equal to 5. Since, what is breadth? Since breadth of what is that? Storehouse. Breadth of storehouse cannot be negative. Therefore, x cannot be equal to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, breadth of storehouse is equal to 5 meter. Length of storehouse, x plus 7, x plus 5, x plus 7, that is 5 plus 7, 12 meters. Okay, my dear students, and that is all. Find the length and breadth. So 5 meter and 12 meter, that will be the length and breadth of the rectangular storehouse. Now coming back to this 8th question. If 460 is divided by a natural number, okay, this is often that this, okay, 9th diagram. If 460 is divided by a natural number, this natural number is what we don't know. Quotient is 6 more than the 5 times the divisor. See, try to understand. If 460 is divided, that means dividend is known. It is divided by whom we don't know. That means divisor is not known. And quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor again. So it is better that, see, it's like that. Length is 5 times breadth, so let breadth be equal to x. So quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Let the divisor be equal to x. The divisor is equal to x, dividend is equal to 460, therefore quotient is 6 more than whom? 5 times the divisor. 5 times the divisor plus 6. This is the quotient. Fine. And remainder is equal to 1. Now we know that the rule is what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. This is also a formula. Plus remainder. Fine. This is what we know. The dividend is what? 460. Divisor is x. Quotient is 5x plus 6 plus 1. Solve this. 460 will come over here. 1 will come over here. 459 is equal to 5x square plus 6x. So we get what? 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. This is not reducible. You can try anything, but I will go by formula method. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 5. B is equal to 6. C is equal to minus 459. So we get b square minus 4ac. 6 square minus 4 into a is 5 into c is minus 459. Plus 4 5 are 20. 20 into 459. So 0. 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 11 to 4s are 9 1 8 0. If I add this, 0 plus 6, 6 8 9 10 11 2 9 2 1 6. I hope this is right. 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, it is right. 9216. So this is 9216. Now only problem is that this is the only problem in the what is that formula method, that we should know how to find the square root of this, and this I have explained a number of times. Let us go back to this, whether the square root is possible or not possible. See, when we have to find the square root, really don't go to do those. That also is easy. We can, if we are able to do fatafat, then that we will get. But then see, that this also you can try. I'll do everything that should be done. 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12. Here you may make a mistake. That is the thing. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 0 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14, 2 6 is 12. 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 9. Now here this is gone. So this you will get. If you do by this method also, you will get this. This will become 1 3, this will become 1 2 and all. This also will be done. But here if any mistake you do over here, then this will go. But I will always prefer that method is 9216. Always go by finding the, see, this is square root. So you should always go from square to up. So from square, if you try to go up, what will happen? See, means 10 square is 100 and we have to go to 9000. That is too far. 20 square will be 400. 30 square will be 900. Too very far. 40 square will be 1600. Too very far. So I will jump over. 80 square is 6400. Still far. 90 square will be 8100. Are you getting? 8100. This is 6400. 8001. Coming closer. 100 is going to be 10,000 crossed. Can you see? 90 is 8100. 100 is 10,000. That means your square root is going to be between 90 and 100. The square root is going to be between 90 and 100. Are you getting what I am doing? I am finding the squares of all the basic numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 and all. I will go on finding like this. So what happens is that it is coming between 8100 and 10,000. Now your square root is going to be between 90 and 100. So if I go for this, one more technique is there. Find the square root of 95. Any number, if you go to find the square of which is ending by 5, 9 is there. See, if supposing I have to find 45. Concentrate on this number 4. 4 के बाद में क्या होता है 5. 4 5s are 20 and then you write 25 only straight. That is the square of 45. See, take any number 35. 3 after 3 we get 4. 3 4s are 12 and then just straight 25. Similarly 85. After 8 is what? 9. 8 9s are 72 and then write 25. This is the square of 7225. So similarly 95 ka square will be what? 9. After 9 is 10. 9 10s are 90 and then write 25. So this is now 95 will be 9025. This is crossing 9. That means now this is more than 9025. So your square root is going to be between 95 and 100. Here it is going to be. So between 95 and 100 if you consider 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Out of these 2 are gone. Now you have to consider that one which will give the units place 6. See, if I consider 97, the units place will be what? 7 7 the 49 will be the units place, whereas my units place is 6. So this is not possible. 98 will give me 98 means 98 into 98 will 8 8 the 64 will be my units place. This also will not be possible. 9 9 the 81 will be my units place. This also is not possible. Only this 96 will give me 6 6 the 36. 6 will be there in the end place. If this is the square root, then the square root of this number is possible. Otherwise no other square. So I will find the square of 96. 6 6 the 36, 6 9 the 54, 57, 9 6 the 54, 9 9 the 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. This will be 6, 11, 12, 9, 2, 1, 6. That means 96. See, this you may find it lengthy now, but once you have mastered this technique, that it hardly takes 2 minutes, nothing more than 2 minutes. So this is square root of this is going to be 96. So by formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2. b is what? A is 5. So what do I get? X is equal to minus 6 plus minus. Now we have seen that it is 96 upon 10. Then x is equal to minus 6 plus 96 upon 10, or so x is equal to 90 upon 10, 102 minus 102 upon 10. So x is equal to 9, or x is equal to minus 102 upon 10. Since it is given that it is a natural number, since the given number is natural, x is equal to 9. What is it? Find the quotient and divisor. If a divisor is equal to is equal to 9 and quotient, what we have got, the expression for quotient is 5x plus 6. We should always write that only over there. 5x plus 6, 5 into 9 plus 6, 9 5s are 45 plus 6, 15. Fine. This is done. Are you getting, my dear students? So with this we have finished. Gone. 8 questions, and now we have to go for 9th and 10th. 9th. In the adjoining figure, this is the adjoining figure. This they have given it as a trapezium A, B, C, D. This is x, this is x minus 2, these both are congruent, they are told. This is x minus 4, the height is x minus 4, and this base is 2x plus 1. For here again you have to know the formula. In the adjoining figure, ABCD represent AB is parallel to CD. Area is 33 cm square. From the information given in the figure, find the length of all the sides of ABCD. Means AB, BC, CD, AD. The AD and BC are same. They are congruent. They are given over here. They have labeled these two are congruent. So basically you have to find the area of trapezium. Before that you should know the formula for area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. This is the area of trapezium. The area of trapezium, but they have given you area of trapezium is 33. Half into sum of parallel sides means AB plus DC. These are the parallel sides, AB, DC. Sum of them into height is, they have also given AM. This is labeled AM. So what you get, this 2 I shift over here. 33 into 2 is equal to AB plus DC will give me x plus 2x plus 1. Are you getting? AB is x, this is 2x plus 1, AM is x minus 4. So what do I get over here? 66 is equal to 3x plus 1, x minus 4. Now this 3x square minus 3 4s are 12x plus x minus 4 minus 11x minus 4. So 3x square minus 11x minus 4, this goes over here, minus 66 is equal to 0. Minus 66 will give you 70 is equal to 0. So this is done. So with this, what we will do again, we will find, you can do it by any method again. 3 7 21, 210, 210 minus 210 definitely. 210 if I go to find 370 are 235 are 210, 2 370 are 235 are 5 7 the 7 the. I want 11 over here. So 3 to the 6, 5 7 the 35. This will not be done. 2 5 the 10, 7 3 the 21. Yes, 3 7 the 21 and 2 5 the 10. If I subtract this, I will get 11 minus plus. If I multiply this, I will get minus 210. So this is done. I will write 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equal to 0. 3x will go as a common factor, x minus 7 plus here 10 will go as a common factor, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Then again x minus 7 is a common bracket, 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 7 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. The x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 10 by 3. Since now AB is x, side of trapezium or for any figure cannot be negative. Any figure, how can you make a negative side? Therefore x cannot be equal to minus 10 upon 3. Therefore x is equal to 7. Now we will frame everything. AB is equal to x is equal to 7 centimeter. Now BC they have told x minus 2, but BC and AD are same. BC is equal to AD is equal to x minus 2 they have given, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 centimeter, and then BC is equal to 2x plus 1. BC 2 into x in place of x, 7 plus 1, 14 plus 1 is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, in this way we have got all the 4 sides. So this is done. With this we have finished with 9 questions, and then we get to go to the 10th question. Here they have told that Dinesh owns an agricultural land at village Talvel. The length of the farm, the Talvel is some village. The length of the farm is 10 meter more than twice its breadth. So let the breadth of farm B is equal to x. Therefore length of farm will be 10 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth, then 10 meter more. Both are in meters. In order to harvest, he dug a square shaped pond in the farm. This is rectangular shape, and this is, because it is an agricultural land, normally agricultural plots are rectangular or square. This is square. Now here side of pond is equal to what? 1/3 the breadth of the farm. Breadth of the farm is equal to x. The side of the pond will be 1/3 the breadth of the pond, x upon 3 meters. The area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond. So we will have to find the area of the farm. Area of farm is equal to length into breadth. Length is 2x plus 10 breadth. So we get over here, okay, this meter square. And area of pond is going to be side square, that is x upon 3 the whole square, meter square. But they have told area of farm is equal to 20 times area of pond. This is given. The area of farm is 2x plus 10 x is equal to 20 times area of pond is x square upon 9. So here we have reached. Are we properly reached? Don't know. 2 I will take out as a common factor. X plus 5 is equal to 20 into x square upon 9. Fine. So this 2 I can shift over there. I shifted over here. Fine. This will become 2 10 the 20. So this has become x plus 5. This I'll open the bracket. x square plus 5x is equal to 10x square upon 9. 9 comes over here. 9x square plus 9 5s are 45x is equal to 10x square. This goes over there, subtracts x square is equal to 45x. So now what happens is that this x goes over there. X is equal to 45. So we get what? Find the length and breadth of the farm and that of the pond. So breadth of the farm is 45 meter. Length of the farm is 2x plus 10. (90 plus 10) 100 meter, and side of pond x upon 3, that is equal to 45 upon 3 is equal to 15 meter. That's all. Okay, my dear students, with this we have finished one type of questions. There are plenty, at least 20 more questions are there which we have to complete. Then we can consider that our basics of word problems are basic. Okay, some basic of word problems are over. Okay, my dear students, so with this I stop my today's lecture. I hope you all understood this. Thank you, my dear students. Love you all. Stay home, stay safe, and most important, stay happy. Love you all, my dear students.